Hi and welcome to WealthWise. In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of having an emergency fund and how you can build one. An emergency fund is a set amount of money that you set aside for unexpected expenses such as job loss, medical bills, or car repairs. It's a crucial component of financial planning, and provides a safety net for you and your family during tough times. Now, you might be wondering why you need an emergency fund. Let me give you a few examples. Imagine you lose your job tomorrow and it takes you a few months to find a new one. How will you pay your bills and living expenses during that time? An emergency fund can help you cover those costs without having to rely on credit cards or loans. Or, let's say your car breaks down and you need to pay for costly repairs. If you don't have an emergency fund, you might be forced to put the expense on your credit card, which could result in high interest debt. As you can see, an emergency fund is an essential component of your financial plan and can help you stay afloat during tough times. So, how do you build an emergency fund? Here's what you need to know. Determine your emergency fund goal. A common recommendation is to aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This may seem like a lot, but remember, it's a safety net for unexpected expenses. The more you have saved, the better prepared you'll be. Assess your current expenses, determine how much you can afford to save each month and make a budget. Cut back on unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving for your emergency fund. Choose a high-yield savings account. Store your emergency fund in a savings account that pays high interest. This way, your money will grow over time and you'll earn some extra cash in the process. Automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit into your emergency fund account so that you won't have to think about it. Automating your savings will help you build your emergency fund faster and more efficiently. Track your progress and adjust as needed. Keep track of your emergency fund balance and adjust your savings plan as needed. If you receive a raise or have extra money, consider increasing your savings. Now, I know that building an emergency fund can seem daunting, but it's a slow and steady process. Start small and increase your savings as your budget allows. The most important thing is to start saving now, and make it a priority. In conclusion, an emergency fund is an essential component of your financial plan. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses and gives you peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for life's surprises. So, start building your emergency fund today and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more wealth building tips. Until next time, stay wise and stay wealth wise.